those are the skill sets which any B school will look for when you go for an admission process, right? In terms of reasoning ability, mathematical ability, then your English language. So these are all the skills which they look for. So if the rigor has been very good as far as your CAT preparation is concerned, I think 50% you have already succeeded in getting into a very good B school, right? So all those things, drills which you have gone through, if you are able to project it in front of the panel, I think you have a high chance of entering into a good B school.
Technical and the non-technical business management part. When you talk about the technical part, it's more on the engineering services, where the artificial intelligence is now playing a role. When you talk about sowing, when you talk about plowing there, right? When you talk about any soil testing and everything is there. So you can be into the management function, plus you can be into the sourcing function.
Did you have any experiences at the time of your graduation that are still helping you in your careers, like something?
One thing I would like to tell you is that no experience is going to waste, right? From each experience, each year, each job, you learn something. Whatever companies I worked with, I can tell you one thing from each year's experience that I've learned. Be it from bosses, be it from colleagues, be it from workers, everyone else.
MBA, you are hearing this, right? That even Surya Kumar Yadav, Shreyas Iyer or Ishan Kishan, after scoring 200, they are just getting out of the team. But it is very difficult to make Hardik Pandya or maybe another like some Patel is there, right? Aksar Patel. These are all-rounders. You cannot make them sit outside the team. So the importance is MBA gives you that firewall. Okay, so you can go for like HR. That's I was saying HR, marketing, finance. It will give you. You will become a 3D player, right? You will become an all-rounder.
As I'm a fresher, so I thought I should go for WorkX and work in industry.
Simple answer to this question is, what my professors used to tell me when I was studying MBA. So they told me, Gaurav, if you have work experience and then do your MBA, what happens is the understanding while you're studying MBA becomes more easier. You can actually relate to what you have already done in the corporate, be it for 2 years or 3 years.
USA is contributing 14% of the GDP in healthcare sector, but India it is only 1 to 2%. And of course, we are the most populated country in the world, and we are growing. And after COVID, we know that importance of health. So I want to know that how this MBA in healthcare management will help me.
See, nowadays, a lot of NGOs, okay, they are getting corporatized. They are employing management graduates to manage their, projects. What is happening is a lot of, companies which have their CSR projects, and they are supposed to divert 2%, contribute 2% of their profits for CSR activities.
Apart from the certification courses, you need to upgrade yourself, upskilling of your knowledge in terms of the basic fundamentals about the advanced Excel, advanced, we can say that MS Excel. Because if you want to have a statistical knowledge, if you want to learn about the business analytics and the data analytics, we need to have a basic fundamental knowledge about the computers as well as for the advanced Excel and all. So these are all things which no one will tell you that I need to equip yourself. That is a part and parcel of your career. If you want to build your career, it should be in a very high level. So you need to upskill of whatever the requirements.
So my question is that the personal skills or the college hike gives you the more exposure to get a job. I mean to say that one of the college in DV got a student of 32 lakh per annum package, and some of the IM students got a package of 50 lakh per annum, right? So what is the difference is that skills matter or the college gives you the exposure?
Only skill matters to the recruiters. They only want to hire skilled people, right? So एक B level का B school है, right? उसके पास 32 लाख वाला पैकेज मिल गया और IIM के पास 15 लाख वाला पैकेज मिला. So can we have a big round of applause for Jitin ji and Team E3 for organizing such a wonderful event?